Disclaimer before the video starts. It's gonna jump right into me already having the wig on my head. Basically, I was saying that I plucked the wig already. This is like reinstalling a wig, so the edges, the wig is already plugged, it's already bleached, all that. I'm just reinstalling it. I just feel like I didn't want to add the parts of me like doing my braid down and putting the wig cap on, because everybody knows what a wig cap looks like on. You just glue it and everything like that. The main part of this video was supposed to be like the layers, like actually cutting it and me installing it. I don't know if that's gonna make no difference or whatever, but yeah, it's gonna jump to me already having the wig on. So yeah, thanks. Okay, I'm back. I did not glue the wig down, as you can tell. I just put it on my ball cap. You see how like it just eats, like look at the scalp on this. Anyway, I think I'm going to do my layers of glue and whatnot. You see how I have these little hairs? They be getting ripped out, and I don't know how to like pull them back. 'Cause no matter what I do, when I try to pull them back, they don't be pulling back. Like they want to be there. One side is more this side's more plucked than the other side. We're not gonna talk about that, but I'm gonna glue it down. I'm gonna speed through that part because y'all know how glue down goes. Y'all know how it goes. I just want to get to the styling part, because the styling part's going to take the longest amount of time, I think, in my opinion. And then I'm going to do my makeup and stuff. I want to wear these shades. I want to take pictures today, right? And I want to wear these shades with this hair. Like, tell me it doesn't eat. It don't eat right now, but it's going to eat. This part, and y'all going to watch me just put my glue on, and yeah. I'm really impatient, so I don't even know if all of it's dry, all the glue is dry yet, because I'm extremely impatient. But we're gonna just, I usually do this in a mirror. Okay, wow. I don't have, and the thing about this is I don't have any spray, so this is gonna be like hard to like really get in there because I don't have any spray. I'm gonna have to go back in after I do this. Of course that turned off. I'm gonna have to go back in and do the put more glue where it doesn't stick versus putting spray. This is eating so far. Like, yes, you can see the lays, but I'm gonna style it. Like, it's not gonna go all the way back. It's gonna be layered, so you're not even gonna see this. And I got this band. It's so old. Like, you can see the fringe on it. And I'm gonna just lay it on there and put more, and then put some heat on it. Put the blow dryer on it and let it dry a little bit more. And then I'm gonna style it while it's on there. And by the time I take my band off, it should eat. If not, I'm gonna be so mad, because I don't want to have to keep fixing this. You know what I mean? That's why you need spray. Anyway. We're gonna style it now. I'm gonna use the Baby Bliss straightener that Shania got me for Christmas. Move my wig head. And my boneless brush that Shania says is a boneless brush. I don't have no hot comb, so I'm gonna use like the straightener to get the sides and stuff. I already know exactly how I want my hair, so I'm not like really even, that's not what I'm worried about, because I already know exactly how I want it, which is I want it to be like layered. I'm gonna still put a picture of exactly what I'm talking about, so you guys have a reference. And it better to come out like that. I'm gonna be so mad if it doesn't. And I'm terrible at taking care of wigs. I be like treating them so badly after, like I be brushing them all hard and stuff. Okay, as you can see, it's all sped up. Shania's in the room now. I'm sorry, I'm eating almond butter. I'm eating almond butter like pretzels. They're so good. Okay, anyway. We're just talking and chit chatting, as you can see, and I'm using the Baby Bliss straightener that she got me. She mad for something. I don't even remember. Okay, yeah, that was funny. Okay, never mind. Yeah, using the Baby Bliss straightener and just trying to straighten it before I cut it. I want it straight before I cut it. Of course, and what else? Nothing else really happens in this clip but me just straightening it, and then I'll be back when I'm actually like layering it. So yeah. Alright, so I'm back. As you can see, like I'm playing with it like that. I don't know what that's called when you like lift it up and it falls over the front. I like the way that looked though. So I was just playing with that right there, and I'm combing it, and I'm about to start cutting right now. Wait, yeah, right now. And it's better to start at a lower point so that you can work your way up if you want to get it shorter versus starting short and then you can't grow the hair back. It's a wig. So yeah, as you can see, I'm brushing it with my boneless brush, and I'm trying to get it straight so that I can cut evenly. I'm sorry, these almond butter pretzels are so good. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to cut it so I can get it all even and nice and stuff, and like as cute as I possibly can get it. I look like a real professional here. Look at me, look at me. I'll back it up so you can get the bottom. All right, I see you. Okay. It's a little uneven though, girl. I'll give you it though, cause you do it on yourself. And I think I'm gonna do the other side too. Oh, taking the hair out my brush, brushing, brush, 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 brushing, brush, 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 brushing, brush, brush, brush. All right, and I think I'm doing the bottoms like straight, and on the bottoms, yeah, I think I'm doing a straight. Okay, no, I'm not doing a straight edge. Of course, light shut off. Yeah. Shania said it scared her, and then she turned it back on. Thank you, Shania. WW. All right. And I think I'm gonna keep straightening it, and cutting it, and I'm doing the other side too. The other side, they're both not the same length, like at all. I don't know why they're not. They're just not the same. You know how like you do one side and you can't do the other side. That's basically how it was. So this side, both the sides, they're sisters. They're not twins. They're not twins, but they definitely sisters. What else I want to say? Yeah, just cutting it. Like, nothing else really happens in this video. I'm gonna be back when I'm actually, like, straightening it, and I'm actually doing, like, the, like, curls that I want to do. Alright. Alright, so I'm back. So I'm straightening it. As you can see, little curl, little thingy. So what I'm trying to do basically is like bump them. You know how like you want your mom to bump your ends, but the cute type of bump? That's what I'm trying to go for. It's a cute little bump, whatever. And then in some parts, yeah, as you can see there, I'm trying to like actually curl it. So like, I think it's here. Yeah, where I'm actually like trying to really curl it. So I go like I start a little bit up with the curl. I don't know. You see what I'm talking about though, right? So like that one's like a curl, and some of them weren't curling because this hair is like, when I say I don't be taking care of my hair, I don't be taking care of my hair. So it's a little like raggedy at points. It came out cute in the end, so that's all that really matters. But yeah, it's really embarrassing. My hair is really embarrassing right now. Look at that. That was so embarrassing. Like look at that. Embarrassing. It didn't even curl. Anyway, but yeah, so I'm just straightening it. Yeah, I need to start taking care of my hair because that is sad. Like, it should not be. And I burned myself, y'all. I had gotten a scar on my wrist from the straighteners on 300. I touched it with my wrist by accident, and I still to this day. It's like a maroon color now, but it's a scar for real. So maybe that, yeah, it's a scar. It's a scar, and yeah, as you can see, I'm cutting more. Curling more. One side had better curls than the other, but that's usually how it go. And yeah, you know how like your day one hair will never be the same as like day three. Like day one wigs always eat. Day three, not really. What else? Nothing else is really happening for real. And then I think after this we went to the stew. So the next thing you'll see me is when I'm back from the stew and my hair is like partially curled. And I think I curled a little bit more before I took pictures. So the pictures that you see in the thumbnail, I don't even remember like if I finished curling it because I definitely was so hungry. In this clip, yeah, I was turning that off. I'm ready to go to the stew. All right, bye. So I'm back in my room. I just went to dinner with my friends. So everything was fast forwarded because we were talking and stuff. I was watching Law and Order, but this is how it looks in the end. You know, I have to like obviously melt it. I don't have any spray, so I'm just gonna melt it with the band and hope for the best, I guess. Jeez. Okay, let me move this like a little closer to me. Okay, so let me put you in the little stand. Okay, so I like it. As you can see, it's not melted all the way because I have to I don't have a spray to put the band in on. Tell me my lace is not eating. Like, tell me it's not eating though. Don't look at the fact that it's not melted because it's gonna be melted by the time I actually go somewhere because it's Saturday. So let's not look at that. Let's not look at the line of demarcation. Let's not look at that. Let's just look at how the lace is eating. Anyway, I think I might just do my makeup and stuff. And I might just do my makeup and take pictures. I want to do lash extensions, but I don't want my lashes to have to deal with lash extensions anymore. So, damn.
glasses. It's not going on. These glasses are so cute. But I need to do my lashes or put lashes on or whatever. I'm taking pictures today. I really don't care. I'm about to put on some like cute little outfit, take some pictures, do my makeup, all that. I might add the pictures in if I'm not too lazy. I don't even know when this video is gonna go up. It looks like I didn't eat because my band isn't melted. I don't have any spray. I'm sorry, but I'm definitely gonna not walk around. I'm not walking around campus like this without any spray. But thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch other videos on my channel. It's just eating, like the plucking, everything is just eating. I'm sorry. Yeah, thank you. Bye. It's gonna be so choppy. Okay, bye.